here on Radio 4. Darren Bett will bring us a full weather forecast, but first the shipping forecast issued by the Met Office on behalf of the Maritime and Coast Guard Agency at 1725 on Saturday the 10th of January. There are warnings of gales in all areas except Dover and Trafalgar. The general synopsis at midday. Low Hebrides 1003 losing its identity. The area forecast for the next 24 hours. Viking, south 6 to gale 8, increasing severe gale 9 or storm 10 later, wintry showers, good, occasionally poor. North Atira, south Atira, southeasterly 4 to 6, increasing 6 to gale 8, occasionally severe gale 9 later, wintry showers, good, occasionally poor. Forties, Cromarty, 4th, Tyne, Dogger. South 4 to 6, occasionally 7 at first in Cromarty, then increasing 7 to severe gale 9. Wintry showers, good, occasionally poor. Fisher, German Bight, Humber, Thames, Dover, White. Cyclonic 3 to 5, becoming south 4 to 6, increasing 6 or 7 later, occasionally gale 8 later, except in Dover. Wintry showers, good, occasionally poor. Portland, Plymouth, Biscay. Northwesterly 5 at first in southeast Biscay, otherwise variable 2 to 4, becoming southerly 5 to 7, occasionally gale 8 later. Showers, then rain, good, occasionally poor. Fitzroy, Sol. South or southwest 6 to gale 8, occasionally 5 at first and severe gale 9 later. Rain, good, occasionally poor. Lundy, Fastnet, Irish Sea. South or southwest 3 to 5, increasing 6 to gale 8, occasionally severe gale 9 later in Irish Sea. Rain, good, becoming moderate or poor. Shannon, South Rockall, southerly 6 to gale 8, becoming cyclonic, severe gale 9 to violent storm 11 later. Rain, moderate or poor. North Rockall, cyclonic 6 to gale 8, decreasing 3 to 5 later. Rain, moderate or poor, occasionally good. Malin, Hebrides, southwest backing southeast 5 to 7, increasing gale 8 or severe gale 9 for a time. Rain, good, occasionally poor. Bailey, cyclonic 3 to 5, increasing 6 to gale 8, occasionally severe gale 9 in west. Showers, then rain, good, becoming moderate or poor. Ferrol, south 6 to gale 8, increasing gale 8 to storm 10 later. Wintry showers, then rain, good, occasionally poor. Faroes, cyclonic 3 to 5, increasing 6 to gale 8, occasionally severe gale 9 in southeast. Wintry showers, then rain, good, occasionally poor. Southeast Iceland, northeasterly 6 to gale 8, occasionally severe gale 9 later. Wintry showers, then rain, good, occasionally poor. That completes the shipping forecast. Now a full forecast. Here's Darren Bett.
Thanks very much, John. Good evening. It's been a quieter day today, some sunshine around, but it is turning cold and frosty right now. But there is a change coming in from the Atlantic. Cloud is heading our way. Now, eventually, that's going to usher in some much milder air, but initially it's going to bring rain in from the west and some strengthening winds. But as the wet weather hits the cold air across northern parts of the UK, so there's the chance of some snow for a while. Now, temperatures will be rising as the night goes on across the western side of the UK, but in the east, still going to be frosty and potentially icy as we head into tomorrow morning, and snow is more likely for a while into the morning across Scotland and parts of northern England, mainly over the hills of northern England, but could briefly be to some lower levels in Scotland. There is an amber snow warning from the Met Office for areas just north of the central belt in Scotland. There could be some heavy spalls of snow just for a while, but what we're going to find is that the snow that does fall across northern England and Scotland then turns back to rain as temperatures start to rise and the milder air comes in. But with that milder air and the snow turning to rain, you get snow melt, and there's the risk of some flooding as well. Now, for many parts of the UK on Sunday, it's going to be a cloudy day. There will be some rain from time to time. There's also going to be windy, strong southerly winds, gales perhaps developing across Scotland and parts of Northern Ireland. But temperatures across the western side of the UK will be lifting to 11 or 12 degrees. Further east across eastern England, eastern Scotland, it's going to be around 5 Celsius, not quite as cold as today. But even here, it will be milder as we head into the beginning of next week. No sign of any snow. Instead, it will be wet and windy at times.
The 6 o'clock news shortly. First, let's find out who's on the desert island tomorrow morning in the company of Lauren Laverne.
My cat castaway this week is the writer and TV showrunner Jesse Armstrong.
When a writer's room is working well, it's like you're walking on the moon. You know, you're suddenly released from the thing that could take you a week to figure out at your desk on your own. You're bounding around and picking up rocks, and everything's veined with gold, and it's like you can have these golden moments of the ideas are coming from everyone and you're all on the same wavelength, and it can feel quite magical.
The writer and creator of Succession, Jesse Armstrong, is my castaway on Desert Island Discs, tomorrow morning at 10.
BBC News at 6 o'clock. This is Tom Sanders. Good evening. Overwhelmed hospitals and restrictions on the internet. Iran's mass protests continue despite the government's efforts to crack down. Kiev's energy supply is cut for emergency repairs to infrastructure hit by Russian airstrikes as temperatures in Ukraine fall even lower. Thousands of homes are experiencing water supply problems across the south of the country as engineers and communities clean up after Storm Goretti.